What up guys, this is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to be talking tonight about if-else statements. So we're still continue talking about the conditional statements. Okay, so when you have two possible situations and you want to react differently for each, you can use an if-else statement. This means if the condition specifies are met, run the first block of code, otherwise run the second block. For example, we're going to be getting some user input. Okay, let's just do let's say user input equals, we're going to use the prompt method, and we're going to say what is it called today? So we're going to ask that to the user, and then if user input, we're going to use three equal sign because we're comparing. 1, 2, 3. If we're going to talk a little bit more in a different video about this, the equal signs. If the answer is yes, it's going to execute this block of code right here. We're going to do show message, and then we're going to say please wear a jacket when going out. Okay, and then we're going to finish with the semicolon, and then we're going to say else. If the answer is no, we're going to say awesome. Awesome day to go running. And to go running, yeah, because you don't need a jacket because it's hot or it's not cold, right? All right, let's save that and let's update or refresh our browser. Okay, is it cold today? Let's say yes. It gave me awesome day to go running. Oh yeah, I did it wrong. It's because it has to match, so we're going to ignore that later too. Let's just do yes, capital Y and the lowercase es. Please wear a jacket when going out. Okay, so this condition, the user say yes. If this is yes, which is going to be true, it will apply to this block of code. If the answer is no, it will just go to the next block of code. Let's see that. It's cold today. Let's say no. Also, they to go running, which is cool. You don't need a jacket to do this. Okay. All right. Let's comment this out, and let's just do another example because there is just a couple more that I want to show. So let's pretend that let's do something with the time. All right. So let's do let's just do date equals new date, and then open closing parenthesis, semicolon, and then you just do another let, and then you just do right here, you do time equals to date that, just get hours, and then open closing parenthesis. Okay, now right here, if time less than 12, which is less than 12 p.m., we're going to execute this line of code right here, show message, and we're going to say right here good morning. Oh, I can't even spell good morning. Good morning, right? Else we can say, oh, also, yeah, we can say show message. It is still nighttime. Okay. So right now I can tell my time is 10:51 p.m. All right, let's save that. So this time is before 12 p.m. If this is true, it's going to give me good morning. But if this is false, if right now is not 12 p.m. or before 12 p.m., it's going to print this. It's going to tell me it's still nighttime. Okay, let's refresh. Yeah, it gave me it's still nighttime because it's still nighttime. It's not 12 p.m. or before 12 p.m. It's not morning. So that worked. Cool beans. Now we're going to see something else. And I like this example because we're going to be using else if in this one too. Okay. Let's go to another one. Let's going to use a let keyword, and then the variable name is going to be num equals to number. We're going to convert this answer to a number. Use the prompt, and then we're going to say the following. Pick a number. Pick a number right here. Okay, let's finish with the semicolon. Okay, now right here we're going to do our if statement. If num less than 10, if the user give a number less than 10, we're going to say the following. Show message, we're going to say a small number. It's going to say it is a small number. Okay, pan. Now we're going to say else if num less than 100, we're going to execute the following. We're going to say it is a medium number. It is a medium number. Right here, finish with the semicolon, and we going to do else show message. Else is going to be a large number. After the 100 is going to be a large number. Say it is a large number right here. Okay, cool beans. Let's save it, let's refresh it, see what I have. Pick a number. So yeah, let's do the first one. Let's do less than 10, right? Let's do 5. It is a small number. Okay, let's do it again. Now let's do 60. It is a medium number. Just have it right here. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's do it is a large number. Let's just do 1000. It is a large number. Okay, cool. So that's how it works. If else statements, and if, and then else if, and then else statements, where you have different conditions that you want to evaluate on this one. So alright guys, so this was all the video. If you have any questions, just ask on the comments. But anyway, hopefully this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.